Today I will show you how to install the S9 motorcycle intercom on your helmet. First, take out the bracket. Make sure the smooth side, the one with fewer grooves, faces away from the main unit. After you heard a click sound, you can start next step. Take out the non-slip adhesive pad, the one with multiple raised dots on the surface. Peel off the adhesive backing and attach it to the bracket. Pay attention to the orientation of the notch. Take out the clip. Position the shorter side of the clip into the slot at the base of the bracket. Then secure it in place. It's successful when you hear a click sound. Then attach the device to the left side of the helmet.